My name is Ergogar Maskal. I am grade 6. My father is farmer. I like go to the school.
In the remote Ethiopian village of Kararo, life is difficult, especially for the women. But the futures of girls like Regbe are looking brighter. Most now get a primary education, bringing much-needed skills to the community. And the Millennium Village project in Kararo is also working to make sure that girls carry on learning, despite high fees and a 30-kilometre walk to the nearest secondary school.
There are many obstacles that to going the girls to secondary schools. One, economic problems. Second, parent influences, undermarriage.
Supported by a scholarship, Simret Gebrekiros is one of over 50 girls from Kararo Primary who have cleared these hurdles and gone on to secondary school.
I was born in Kararo and now I live in the housing. From grade 9 up to 12, I assist by the project. If I am not supported by the project, I already married because their family as not educated person. That means they haven't any knowledge about education. I study always in order to be a doctor. That means.
If a girl from Kararo doesn't go to secondary school, her fate will be having marriage and living at lowest standard by farming. Entering into high school will make the girl's future bright. It will create an opportunity to search jobs which can help themselves and can serve their community. Out of the existing 52 girl scholarship program, if this was not there, no one of them came to the high school to continue her education. So this is changing their life. These students have a goal, certain hope.
The successes of the girls at secondary school in Halsien are inspiring their sisters and friends at Kararo Primary School.
I want doctor. I would like to study hard.
With continued support, Regbe's dreams and those of thousands of girls in Kararo can turn into reality, which in turn will ensure that the entire community can benefit.